Good afternoon. Lie ahead. We all have a personal responsibility as parents, friends, neighbors, co-workers to follow the public health guidance in every area of our lives. The actions we take now can help us to further bend the curve before Christmas. It's on all of us to rise to the challenge as Alberta does best and as we've always done so many times. We can continue to lead the way as the freest province in the country if we all do it together. And I'll now ask Dr. Hinshaw to provide her daily update.
Thank you, Premier, and good afternoon. Today, I will be providing a breakdown of cases for the last 2 days due to the technical issues that we encountered yesterday. We are still working to fix the problem. We were able to...
Go ahead,
Yes,
Don.
we're still connected, Don. Please go ahead.
Yeah, it's okay. I was hoping to ask the Premier a question, but I think he's gone.
No, he's here.
Well, yes, okay, I would ask him a question. It's not really pertinent. I'm sure lots of others are waiting in line. So look, I'll drop out a line because this is not a related question. So why don't we start the line again?
Okay.
Okay, our next question is Faith Kaiser with 660. Go ahead, Faith.
Yes, good afternoon. My question for the Premier as well. Now, Mr. Premier, I caught something a little bit concerning in the AG report. They're hoping to get some...
I'm sorry, Doctor, I guess there was an invitation for you to answer that as well.
Thank you. Yes. So the question about my advice has always been based on the fact that I'm responsible not just for protecting...
Go ahead, James.
Hi there. A question for the Premier. How do you think Albertans are doing so far when it comes to exercising that personal responsibility? When we know that so many people have been going to work, shopping, or attending parties, even when they're sick. And just a quick question, Dr. Hinshaw, if you could explain just how effective AB Trace Together will be when the contact tracing system has effectively...
Okay, the Premier has time for one more. Operator, can you please put through the next caller?
Next is Rick Bell with the Calgary Sun. Go ahead, Rick.
Good afternoon, Premier and Dr. Hinshaw. This is a question for the Premier, but if Dr. Hinshaw wants to weigh in as well, the more the merrier. Every day that I've tuned in to these updates, there's been asked at least once, and sometimes oftentimes, why not impose a lockdown? So for the Premier, let's say right now you had a complete change of heart and you said, you know what? I'm going to close all the restaurants, all the bars, all the gyms right now, right today, this very moment.
And with that, I'm afraid I have to run, but I think, Doctor, maybe you could take a couple more questions? Okay, thank you.
Dr. Hinshaw can take 2 more questions. Operator, can you please put through the next caller?
Next is Janet French with CBC. Go ahead, Janet.
Hi there. I'm sorry, my question was for the Premier. So I don't have any for Dr. Hinshaw at this moment.
Okay, thanks, Janet. Okay, that concludes today's Q&A. Dr. Hinshaw will be back with another update on Monday afternoon. Thanks very much.